So what's up? I'm Ryan. I wanted to show y'all how to actually go about the process of changing your profile picture and your name in Zoom so that it says your name and your pronouns and it has a picture of your pronouns. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna share my screen, the Instagram of SU Diversity. And our most recent post, it has a name and it has pronouns and it's an example. So basically this is what we will be trying to make our profile picture become. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go ahead and then I'm going to press edit or use template, and it says use template. And then I can change it to whatever name I want. So I'm just going to do first name because I think it takes up less space. So once I like it, if I like the size of the font or anything, up to me to make it bigger or smaller. So then I'm going to take that. I'm going to press this download button. So now I'm going to press change. I'm going to press upload. Okay, so then I'm going to make this as big as possible so that it covers the whole thing. And then press save. And it's there! We did it! Alright, lastly, I'm going to press edit right here. And on first name, I'm just going to change first name and I'm going to add E/say. And I'm going to press save changes. And now it is going to be there. Alright. So that's how we do it.
Can't wait to see everybody include their pronouns in their name and when their video's off. Thanks for being inclusive.